morning to all my wonderful peeps tuning to the channel. Keep the channel progressing. Right now we reach 2K going up. So you don't know say what I go on right now. It's like I reach 2K. When I go make me have to start showing when me I let out the bird them. You see it? Yeah, I love how I treat me, you see me? I'm gonna keep on support the channel. Yeah, my peeps. So there give the older set of bird them a little exercise in the morning. The younger one them kinda jealous still, but for them business that, you know. Yeah, my peeps. But there man with the birds them man, you see it? Yes man. Grizzly. So they are still in my peeps and me have to face one terrible problem named rat, brother. I don't like nobody can tell me the best solution to get rid of these rats. Because right now rat kill them kill 7 baby pigeon out of this, including eggs, and them also kill 2 baby pigeon over there, so that's 9 baby pigeon, and them eat off 1 of my baby pigeon them wing out of this pen, so that's 10 baby pigeon. Them kill a baby pigeon out of this pen. Me have for all not involve no bird night right now. Them cut out right there, and them come in and them kill a baby pigeon. So the best solution you guys can give me about getting rid of these rats, I would like you guys to comment and tell me, because these rats are really destroying my birds and that's really discouraging me from doing what I'm doing. So I would love you guys to let me know what I should do. So birds are looking good. Well, I'm thinking I got about 30 birds right now, because I had to reduce on birds because they were getting so many and I'm not really home. So the time I got, I have to just lessen the numbers so I can take care of these numbers more frequently than when there are so many, because you guys should know birds are something that they breed really fast when they are getting good care and they have space. As you guys can see, these guys got a lot of space, so these guys breed really fast. But the rats, no, the rats are really not treating me right, so I don't know. So now get hot for me, boy. I never can see them bad breed pigeon that down there, so see them? Three of them that down there. See them? How far them there? Yo, watch big white, brother. Watch big white. Yo, big white, come in yo, to your moose, dog. Come on, big. Yo. I'm just there, I give bird them a little fly, you know? Well, not all of them say, cause them can't let out at once because they're gonna create so many mischief. So, I have to let out the older set first, and then let out the younger ones after. So, most of them birds are going back inside. And bird everywhere, man, you see? Bird are chilling in a tree, bird are chill on rooftop, bird are chill on cook, bird are chill at ground, bird are chill at doorway, bird are at chuck out. Bird everywhere, man. You see what I show you, man? Bird everywhere, man. Bird fest, man. As I say, keep bird them a morning fly. First, him a come out a pen, man. When you see them wild fly there, first them a come out a pen, man. So I don't know if you see them two end there over there so a fight, and them really watch still you know that says him zone out. Cause I wonder why that end they gone in there so even though it used to be fairness, she gone in there gone fight the other pigeon out. But wait. Next one of the bird then. Come to think about it. Oh, so many birds out I can't even really keep check of them. This is what I don't like. Because two birds are missing. There's one and there's a next yellow male missing. Some of these birds are pro. They are used to outside, but some of them really haven't been out. Sorry guys, but I'm going to have to take this bird out.